Good evening, dear ladies and gentlemen. As always, I'm your crypto enthusiast, Light Liger here, and today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to stake your Fantom tokens on the Fantom mainnet. And in case you didn't know, Fantom is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, just like Polygon, although I do think it's superior in terms of its coding and security compared to Polygon. And basically what you need to do is to get a MetaMask and install custom RPC for Fantom. So some of you may have Fantom on the Ethereum network, and what you basically need to do is bridge it over to the Fantom's mainnet or move it to exchange and withdraw it from the exchange to the Fantom mainnet. Basically, that might be cheaper than actual bridging, FYI. And then we're going to be going into the actual website. So there's basically a one wallet where you can stake as of right now. And then there's another option which we're going to be looking in a second. So let's jump into the Fantom DeFi dashboard. So after you have configured a custom RPC on your MetaMask, I'm going to be leaving those RPC details in the description. Obviously, you can go to chain list and automatically, add it with 2 clicks. And then after you have Fantom on your wallet, then it basically asks you to connect wallet, and you can create wallet also or restore wallet, whatever works. You have also a ledger option for logging in for the Fantom network, or the P wallet, PWA wallet. I don't know how this is supposed to be pronounced. And there are certain differences, obviously, with staking on Fantom than other staking platforms, which we have covered in the channel before. Obviously, some chains have this amount of staking minimum and etc. and this time, and So basically, what you need to do first is you're going to be adding a delegation, and you can have multiple delegations. Some different delegates have different rewards, and maybe they give their own token, or maybe there's some other aspects which make them good option, or maybe you want to be for more decentralization. So first you're going to be choosing how much you're going to be staking. So I don't want to actually have everything staked out in case it's going to be pumping, as it's been doing really well as of late. So I'm going to be staking 528 Fantom, and then we're going to be choosing a delegator. Obviously, you can always research into, some of these have website links here, and kind of see what exactly are they about. So I already had a delegation to Hyperblocks, so I'm going to be adding a different delegate. This time I'm going to be going with Go Fantom, selecting that, and then we're going to be continuing. And it's going to be saying the amount and where it's going to be sent from and who is going to be your validator. And as I already said earlier, you can have multiple delegations, and so you can validate different people. You can delegate to 50 people, as far as I know. And then there's going to be a fee. It's very low. I'm going to be showing you the transaction here. The transactions on Fantom are very, very minuscule. I think they're among the lowest, even lower than Matic perhaps at certain times. And now the delegation has been done. Now, what we need to do first, compared to a lot of other chains, is that we actually have to lock the amount before we are going to be getting any rewards. So just staking it like that is not going to be enough. Now, the locking period is going to be having a correlation to your APR. Roughly right now, it's around, I think, 4% for 14 days. If you are going to be locking for a longer period of time, the staking reward will be going higher. I think there's pretty much a calculator somewhere here where you can basically count how much you're going to be getting. So here you can see the APR on the amount for locking. For this amount will give you 3.79%, and it's centered on how much you're going to be staking. So you can run all those calculations if you want to. But let's get back to here. So I'm going to be putting this for 24 days. And then it's going to be saying the location locked until this amount, 25 days, go lock, another transaction goes through, and we have confirmed, and now our money is basically locked. And now we are gaining rewards. And here is the advanced function. Here we can do claim rewards. I can look at my other delegation, which I did a couple of minutes ago, and here I can claim basically rewards, and you can choose to restake. Right now it's very low, almost nothing, so I'm not going to be doing it, but that's how you basically undelegate. Now after you have locked it for a certain period of time, there's going to be a 7-day undelegation period. So basically you will have to understand that there's going to be taking 7 days until that delegation will be withdrawn. So you have to run the math, how long you're going to be delegating everything, and etc. And that's how basically the delegation is done on Fantom. Now there's another option which might be a bit better for some other people. Now this is not by official Fantom team, but there is a lending platform known as Scream. And Scream is kind of like Venus. It is kind of like, Compound, all of these platforms, which I love to talk about and doing videos about on the channel. And what you can do is you can lend your Fantom, wrapped Fantom, that's what the W always stands for. Wrapped Ethereum, wrapped Tron, wrapped, KCC, wrapped BNB. You get the drift. And here you can get 7.67 supply APY. And I think 4% of that is going to be paid on the Scream's own token. So in order to get wrapped Fantom, you can go into the go-to-go platform known as Spooky Swap, and you can choose here Fantom, and then you choose wrapped Fantom, and then you basically transfer the sum you're going to be putting in, and then you are going to be getting wrapped Fantom. Then you're going to go back to Scream and choose the amount of wrapped Fantom you're going to be providing. Right now it's a 0 because obviously we don't have more than 0. So and once you have provided, then you are going to be getting that APY. Here I'm already getting Scream rewards for my initial deposit, and here I can also withdraw the 1,000 that I basically got in, plus this is all the extra that I've made in a couple of minutes so far. And this one doesn't have a period of time for withdrawal. Obviously, I think this is a pretty high quality lending platform, but it can always get hacked. Most of smart contracts, even popular ones, have been hacked at one point. So there's obviously risk to that. So, but I think, I'm putting it into both, and then I'm having like third of the money basically sitting on the wallet right now. But that's basically the rundown how to stake your Fantom. Your third option is through Binance and other platforms like these, which also have some type of a limited time lending platform, APRs, but they don't, at least on Binance, it's not very high percentage compared to what you would be getting on a decentralized finance setting or to the traditional staking. But thanks for watching for this video. In case you want to send me some tips in Fantom, tokens, NFTs, etc., or you are a developer and you want to send me business inquiries, you can find my email also down below alongside with my tipping QR code. Thanks for watching, guys. I will be seeing you guys on the next video.